Hello everyone, yes, I'm in the new van. I'm just going to try and drive and find an appropriate place to show you the van actually. So yeah, as you just seen, Joshua Morrison won the van there. He came and picked it up at the weekend as planned. So that went all fine. I've just given the van a quick wash over because you know what it's like in the UK. You drive 5 meters down the road and something you've just washed gets totally filthy again. So I'm not holding out much hope, but hopefully I can do the van some justice. So I've only had this van a few days now, but I absolutely love it. It's going to be quite controversial for some people, but yeah, some people are going to love it, some people are going to hate it, but to be honest I don't care because I'm the one driving it. So there we go. Right, so I've got some plans for the back. I will show you once I reveal the van, so I'll see you in a minute. So I've probably picked the dirtiest place to show you my van, but we'll do a little countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It's a Vauxhall Vivaro 2019 2-litre diesel, L2 body length. No more struggling to get plasterboard in the rear. Okay, so I've probably picked the dirtiest place to show you this, but I'm going to take you inside now. So here we go, 3 seats in the front. This isn't a review, by the way. Apple CarPlay. I absolutely love this van, and a massive shout out to these guys that have sent me this dash cam for this new van. Play some videos of me putting this in. Comes with a reversing camera. There's the box. If you want to get one of these, all the details will be in the back, but there's loads of features on here. And what I also love is for the high-speed charging, is it's got the high-speed USB cable. That is fantastic. So great features on that. Right, jump in the back. So it's got twin side sliding doors. As you can see, I've just launched a load of stuff in here, but so it's got the 2 doors. There's the rear, and I believe, don't quote me on this, this is 300 mil longer than the standard van. I haven't got a tape measure here, unfortunately, but I'll show you in the back. I've just ordered 2 sliders to go here. I'm going to build a false floor, and then all of my valuables will be hidden in the floor in the van vaults. Okay. It's got the lovely little hatch there that you can put a 3 meter length in, so I can put 3.5 meter length timbers, or conduit will go straight through. Now obviously you can see this on the angle, but it will go straight through into the footwell if I want to do that now. This is the Sportif model. Yeah, so in here you've got, which is quite handy, I don't know if I'll ever use it, but you've got a little drop down piece here with a little storage bit there. This isn't a review, I'm just showing you, and then you can do some writing on there if you want. It's also got a useful little hatch under there if you want to put some valuables, bits and bobs. Camera could live in there, but it comes in with me. As I said, it's got Apple CarPlay, it's got 12 volts everywhere, little cup holders, and then obviously this seat, if you pull this here, this seat lifts fully up, and then you can get into this hatch and put stuff through. So I've ordered some seat covers, I've ordered some new mats, because I know it's not going to take long for this van to get filthy. I'll try my best to keep it clean. You know how hard it is. Right guys, that's the new van. I hope you like it. Stick with me on the channel. Thanks for everyone for subscribing, and we never say this enough, but I do really appreciate the subscriptions from people, and the feedback, and give the video a thumbs up. And on YouTube, take off a lot of notifications, they just clear it out. So if you're new to the channel, or make sure there's a little bell button make sure you hit that, and then you'll get notified, because a lot of people are moaning that they're not getting notified. So it's nothing to do with me, it's YouTube taking the notifications away, just to see if people are clicking the notification button. Just gives them a little bit of info. So if you found it interesting, if you like the video, if you like the van, if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't mind. I absolutely love the van. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.